Let's keep it.
There you go, Maddie. Right into the center. That's good. Yeah. Small, slow.
Good.
Big and fast. Bigger out there. Find the center.
Woo! Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Big, fast. Get out there and
Out.
big. Good job. Good job. Find the center.
Woo! Small.
That's coming on.
It's okay.
That's okay. Let it go.
Woo!
Big and fast. That's it. Go. Looking
Good.
perfect. Looking perfect.
Woo!
Good job. Yeah. Easy. Go past your end marker. Keep going. Keep going.
Go.
Anytime. Good. Good.
Yeah. Woo!
Good. Good job. No trotting. Go past that marker. Good.
Yeah.
Past the center marker. Good.
Woo!
Easy back. Easy. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Woo!
Yeah!
Good job. How do you look at it? Good.
Ease up there a little bit, Maddie.
Shorten your reins. Walk on up there and shorten your reins a little. Walk
Get
up
up
closer.
Get up a little bit, Maddie. Squeeze and walk up there. Walk up on the cow.
Walk,
Easy.
walk.
Just walk
There
up
you go.
there. Shorten up your reins a lot. Atta girl.
Good.
Get up there. Get up
Come
there.
straight to us.
Stop.
Good.
Back the
Good.
other way. Don't
Keep
make
your distance
circles.
from
Stop
it.
on the ends, Maddie. Stop and turn. Good. Don't make
Don't get
circles.
too close to it.
You gotta stop. Easy. No, easy. No, no, no. Go easy. Good.
Good job. Good job. You got it.
You're okay. Turn. You're okay.
You're okay.
Good job.
You're
So
doing
far,
good.
you haven't lost that cow. Don't ride at it. There you go. And then stop.
Oh. It's okay.
Atta girl. Go to the right.
Woo!
Yeah!
Good job. What's your favorite one?
She just said, go get your cow. She said, okay, I will, but it's my first time.
She's doing all right.
She's going to pinch. Easy, Maddie. Good job.
Yeah. Good job. Woo! Stop.
That was a great job.